Oh, this is my first kayak of my camping trip because the wind has been insane until now. Oh, I just got the shit scared out of me. I get too close to these reeds and I don't know what's in there, living in there, right? But man, they run around, dive in the water. I feel like if I get too close, they're gonna jump on me. So I'm gonna move over from that a little bit. All right, hold on. Oh. Get out of this. Over here is where I saw the osprey. The osprey became my favorite bird about five years ago, I guess. And I got to see one in the wild for the first time in my life. Oh, I made a video of it. It was really cool. Posted it up on Facebook if you guys want to see it. That highway noise calms down around 10 o'clock at night. A lot. Sometimes there's a lot of jake breaking, sometimes there's none. It's crazy. Oh, what a beautiful day. When I was pumping up the kayak, the lake was a perfect mirror of everything behind it. I went to go get my camera to take a picture of it, and the wind, there was like a burst of like 10-mile-an-hour wind, and ever since then it's been just like this. Oh, it's completely glassy. Oh my God. And this is cool. This is good. All right.